are 3 editing secrets that make your videos look like you spent hours on them, but they just take seconds. And once you know them, oh my God, you'll never take hours editing again. So let's jump right into these editing secrets. All right, so the first editing secret is Adobe Premiere Pro will actually edit and cut up the video for you. There's no need to, zoom, use the razor tool, cut out these pauses, and then just like that. Don't do that. That's some primitive shit, and we're not doing primitive shit here. So what I'm gonna teach you is exactly this. You need to come into the text tab. Once you've made your transcript, there's gonna be a big blue button, just hit that, it's gonna generate it. Come up to this oil filter and then come down to pauses. Hit the pauses and then also make sure to come down here. And then I like to have a minimum pause length of 0.1. That just works the best with me. Maybe for your clients, it could be, a little shorter than that. Just figure out and mess with it. I realize that around 0.5 to 0.10 is perfect. I've actually seen if you go all the way to 0.1, it cuts out words. So later down the line, you're gonna have to be fixing that, and we don't wanna do that. We just want it to work one time, and that's why I leave it at 0.10. So 0.10, hit save, and then once you have that, hit delete. Make sure it's on extract, not lift, just extract, hit delete all, and now it automatically gets rid of those pauses for us. Okay, now the second editing secret is absolutely mind-blowing. Premiere Pro will actually generate captions for us. No need to do the caveman shit of literally typing and listening. If you guys been here long enough, or if you guys have been using Premiere Pro, you know the struggle of trying to create captions manually. It's a total nightmare. So all you have to do is go into the same tab, which is text, come over to captions, hit create captions from transcript, bring all these to the left, hit single, and then hit create captions, and it'll automatically do it for us, just like so. Oh my God, this is a huge time saver, man. And a bonus tip really quick on that captions, if you actually come up to the captions and highlight all of them and then come up to graphics and titles, you can upgrade these to a graphic. That way you can add any animations to these and it'll automatically be perfectly timed for you. No need to create your own graphics and use the text tool. You can just convert these into a graphic and you're good to go. Okay, this third and final editing secret is something I just recently discovered and has completely changed the way I edit for absolutely ever. And it is this simple tool of coming over to your bin, and for this example, I'm using my short form hooks V2 pack, which is exactly what we're gonna be looking at, and it is this system, which is this. You can come over here, look at any of these pre-made, done for you animations if you make your own, or if you go grab the pack. You can simply just drag and drop this. In a matter of seconds, we have an automatically done all animations drag and dropped in here. No need to text and create this yourself. It's automatically done for you. You can see that the sound effects are already added, the animations are already added all for these, and it's just a simple drag and drop. So let me show you exactly how you can create this system yourself. Okay, so let's just say you actually just added this exact hook that I just showed you, and I'll run it one more time. So all these animations, and like I said, you just made this hook and you want to make this into a drag and drop system. All you have to do is make sure you're grabbing all the right ones. So we're going to grab this hook. So we're gonna grab the zoom. We're gonna grab all these animations that you just saw of those texts. And I'm also going to grab these sound effects if you have sound effects. If not, oh well. I'm gonna exit out of this. And then all you have to do is right click, and then hit make subsequence. Now that's gonna make it a subsequence. It's gonna pop over here, or it's gonna come over into your project file over here. And then all you have to do now, you can delete all of these. So and then I can come over to that one that we just made. So this is the exact same one we just made, and then boom, drag and drop it. You gotta make this in a 200 because it's a 4K, but just like that, it's literally just done. And if you want all of these hooks that I'm showing you right now that you can just literally come over to here just like I just showed you and drag and drop, there are 20 proven hooks that I made personally that save me so much time. I'm not stuck at my desk all day. They're just a simple drag and drop for every single one of them. And if you want that, the short form hooks pack V2 will be down in the link in the description so you don't miss out. And if you guys want to learn how to create viral hooks just like this on this side of the screen, go check this video right out over here. It's going to teach you super duper quickly how I create viral Instagram hooks in just seconds, literally the exact system that I showed you, but in a little more detail, so you can create, viral hooks for yourself. And who doesn't like that, So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.